Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make chicken dumpling. Now here I'm adding my seasoned chicken to my pot. I have my pot on high with my oil. Basically I'm browning my chicken, so I'm going to cook each side of my chicken until it's nice and brown. Then I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Guys, you can fry your chicken in the air fryer, or you can go ahead and deep fry it. Whatever makes it easier for you guys, just go ahead and do it. I'm doing it this way because it's easier for me and I don't like a lot of oil on my chicken. So this way is simple for me. Now here I'm showing you how I fry my chicken. Follow my step-by-step method, guys, and I promise you, you won't go wrong on this dish. Season your chicken with whatever season you like. Then fry your chicken. Brown it on each side for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, now here I have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of my dry parsley flakes. I'm making my dough for my dumpling. It's optional to put the parsley flakes. You can just go ahead and make your regular dough. So now here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of parmesan cheese. I like to put the cheese in my dumplings. As I say, guys, it's optional for you to make it this way. I'm just making my dough with a little herb and cheese, guys. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. After I add my salt, I'm gonna go ahead and stir it around. Now I'm stirring it around, guys. This is my dough for my dumpling. Now here I'm going to add my turmeric. This is also optional, guys. You don't have to put turmeric in yours. I just prefer to use it. Turmeric is healthy and it gives my dumpling a great color. Now here I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now I'm just gonna stir it around. Then I'm gonna add my water and combine my mixture together until I get a firm dough. Yes, guys, this is how you make your dumplings. Here I'm adding the water. I'm just gonna keep stirring. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and make this dough. When I'm done making it, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, here is my dough. You just keep adding the water to your flour until you get it solid like this. You should not let it be too soft. Just keep it consistent, guys, and your dough should come out perfect. Now that I finished showing you how to make the dough, I'm going to go ahead and put my skillet on the stove. Now here I have my skillet on low heat. I just add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I add 1 teaspoon of garlic. Then I went ahead and add my onion, my green onion, and my scotch bonnet pepper. Also I have thyme. Now I'm just going to keep stirring and let all these season infuse with the butter. Yes guys, this process is important. You know, put your season at first, and basically you're doing like a little stir fry in the beginning, but it's just with your season. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my beans. This is my butter bean. This is optional, guys. Whatever you like, you put it in your chicken and dumplings. After I add my beans, I went in with my carrots. Now I'm just gonna keep stirring. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. Yes guys, here's my chicken. I fried my chicken and set it to the side. After I add my chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and stir. Oh my god, this is smelling so good. You can eat this as it is, guys. It's smelling so good. This dish is not complete as yet, and it's smelling so good, guys. I'm gonna be happy with this meal right here. I'm gonna be so happy with my chicken dumpling. Yes, guys, I get excited for chicken dumpling. I love me some chicken dumpling. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stir it around. Make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. Then I'm gonna go in with my corn. I love my corn, guys. I just love my corn in my chicken dumpling. I just got me a pack of corn, guys. This is optional, but I'm begging you. I'm asking you nicely. Follow my step-by-step method, and I promise you, you'll make this dish in your kitchen and it will taste as good as mine. It will look as beautiful as mine, guys. I'm going to repeat myself. Follow my step-by-step method, guys, and I promise you, you won't go wrong on this dish. So now that I add my corn and my dish is looking so beautiful already, I am just gonna go ahead and add some water because I don't want it to burn. And also you're going to need a stock because this is a 1-pot meal, so you're going to need a stock. Okay, so guys, I forgot to tell you, the butter bean, don't throw the water away, guys. You're going to keep that water to pour in on your chicken because that is going to give you more flavor, guys. It's going to give your dish more flavor. So there I just poured my water in that I pour off the butter beans. I just put that in, guys. Now I'm just stirring to make sure nothing is sticking in the pot. Yes, guys, it's smelling so good. You're gonna love this dish, guys. You're gonna love this dish. I'm so happy with this dish, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, so now I just add the water. Now I'm just stirring it around. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken stock, guys. Here I have 1.5 cup of chicken stock. If you don't have the chicken stock, guys, you can go ahead and add water. After I add my chicken stock, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of water. Yes, guys, 1.5 cup chicken stock, then 1 cup of water. Then I'm just gonna stir it around. After I stir it around, I'm gonna go ahead and cover my pot and let it stay there and come to a boil for like 10 minutes. After it comes to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and put my dumplings in. Now here I'm putting in my dumplings. Yes, guys, you see why I use the turmeric in my dumpling dough? Because it gives me that beautiful color that I'm looking for. I like to see my dish colorful, guys. The dumpling has this beautiful color, and the stock has this beautiful color, guys. So now that I add my dumplings, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk. Now this is something to talk about, guys. Like, if you're not gonna add the coconut milk, forget about it, okay? Forget about it, because this coconut milk is gonna take your dish to the top, okay? It's gonna take your dish to the top, okay? Now I'm gonna cover it and let it come to a boil so my dumplings can cook in that beautiful stock. Now here I'm adding my tomatoes, and this is optional also, guys. As I said before, I eat with my eyes, so my food have to be colorful, you know? It's like garnishing your dish while you're cooking. Yes, guys, I love doing this. Now that I add my tomatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my broccoli, guys. Basically, I'm just gonna add all my vegetable at this point. You don't have to put vegetables in your chicken dumpling. You can just make it with the chicken and the dumpling, and it's perfectly fine. But I love to see the color going on in my dish, and I love to have my meal with vegetables, guys. I can't eat my food without vegetables. Okay, now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Yes, put that cheese in it, guys. It's gonna make it taste so good. Now look at that. Look how beautiful this dish is looking already. You'll never have a chicken dumpling like this. You'll never have one like this. Only here you'll get this chicken and dumpling. And I promise you, guys, it's tasting so good. Just follow my step-by-step method, and I promise you, it's gonna come out beautiful. It's gonna taste excellent. Now here I cover my pot and let it come to a boil. Everything is cooked. The sauce, the stock has reduced and it's looking beautiful, guys. Basically I cover it and let it come to a boil for like 15 minutes. Then it reduce and give you a gravy. Give you a gravy, guys. Look at that. I wish you all could smell this dish. I wish you all could smell this goodness. It's smelling so good, guys. I can't wait to eat my chicken dumpling. Chicken dumpling. Chicken dumpling. Yes, guys. This is my chicken dumpling. And here is my end product, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that gravy with the corn all up in there and the beans, guys. Oh my God. Now here I'm just plating it for you to see how beautiful my dish is. Look at that dumpling, guys. And look at that chicken. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I upload a next video, you'll be notified. You can create this dish in your kitchen today, guys. Follow my step-by-step method and I promise you, you're gonna love this dish. Okay, guys, here you have it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.